Thursday. It's only August, yet there was an October feel at Shea.
Right now. ESPN, the worldwide leader in sports. ESPN News.
Greetings and welcome to the segment. I'm John Seibel. We're going to have the latest on it. Well, on the field of dreams, just 5 regular season. He made another matchup. Continue the way they are. Those two would meet in the first.